Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well. So today I am doing a mani swap challenge with Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. That's her logo there. Go check out her YouTube. I'll leave all her details down in the description box below. If you watched yesterday's video, you would have seen that she sent me all these lovely bits and I sent her bits too. We did agree to only send each other enough to do a mani with. Vicky's very naughty and she's sent me loads of stuff, but I love her for it, so thank you so much, Vicky. But today our challenge is to create bits using what we have sent each other, so make sure you go and watch Vicky's videos as well, which I will link down below. But yeah, today is my challenge of trying to create a set using all these bits. So I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to crack on and see what I can do. I hope you like whatever I come up with. I'm excited to see what I come up with anyway. And yeah, thank you again to Vicky. Definitely go check out her channel. I will link her Instagram, her YouTube and her Facebook down in the description box below. And yeah, much love everyone. I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's crack on.